इंडिया की लीडिंग एग्रोकेमिकल्स कंपनी इंसेक्टिसाइड्स इंडिया लिमिटेड यानी IIL का आज टर्नओवर 1000 करोड़ प्लस है। यस, इट इज एपिक इंडीड। चाहे आप माने या नहीं, लेकिन इस कंपनी की कहानी किसी फेरी टेल से कम नहीं है। With IIL literally starting in the living room in 2002, today it is one of India's top agrochemical companies. So आइए चलिए, let's catch up with Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, the brains, the brilliance, the brawn behind IIL. मैं हूं नीवा जैन, welcome to the business and welcome to the big idea. हेलो मिस्टर राकेश अग्रवाल, वेलकम टू द बिग आइडिया जी। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपको मिलने से। इट्स वंडरफुल, इट्स अ प्लेजर। अच्छा, अब बुरा मत मानिए, बट पहले आई एक्चुअली हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ये जो इंडस्ट्री है एग्रोकेमिकल्स, फ्रैंकली इट्स नाइदर एक्साइटिंग, इट्स नाइदर हिप हॉप, इट्स नॉट सेक्सी, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट। बट जो आपने किया, जो जर्नी है ऑफ इंसेक्टिसाइड्स इंडिया लिमिटेड, is phenomenal.
Thank you.
So I want to tell my viewers out there, hang in there, because his journey is extraordinary. Beginning से बताइए।
Yeah, it has been an exciting journey for me actually, because we are helping the smallest entrepreneur in the country. We look at the farmer, so he puts everything into soil and then takes out crops for us actually, and sometimes we are not able to appreciate. But I believe that he is somebody who is ensuring the food security for us, and the way the land available in our country is shrinking for agriculture because of the developments actually, and the way the population of the country is growing up, and the way the awareness of our people is growing up, and the income of the middle level is going up. The demand for food is continuously increasing actually. So
आप ये जो शेयर कर रहे, यही तो बात है, because it's probably one of the most important, crucial industries in our country. आप जो कह रहे हो, it may not be about the .coms, it may not be about these new cutting edge businesses, but आप जो कर रहे हो, this is the crux, the bane of the present of India or future का India के साथ।
Yeah, it is very important actually, because अच्छा खाना नहीं होगा तो आप क्या करेंगे? So you need food basically, and you need progressive farmers to do more cultivation. आज भी हमारे देश में 1/3 of the crop is organic by default because things are not reaching to the farmer. And the second important point is our yield is half of the world if we look at our average yield, which means that still a lot needs to be done with the farmer actually. So a lot more awareness, a lot more training that is required. We are trying to reach the farmer in every nook and corner of the country, but still अभी बहुत बड़ा स्कोप है because the geography is quite large, and if we look at the dialects and type of people, the lifestyle of people, it is entirely different in every part of our country.
It's very interesting, Mr. Agarwal, आप जो कह रहे हो, because it's almost like politics. और आपके जो कंपनी है, it has a pan Indian presence.
Yeah.
So you're literally dealing के farmers अलग अलग किस्म की देश, land से, देश से, डायलेक्ट भी बहुत बहुत डिफरेंट।
बिल्कुल।
आपने कैसे किया? बिकॉज जब आपने ले लिया बिजनेस आपके फादर से, यू हैव टेकन इट टू अनदर लेवल।
I got the passion in a very young age actually. I used to see my father working actually. At that time I was born in the industrialist family. So I joined business in early 90s in my family company. And somehow my father and myself, we moved out in 2001 to start Insecticides India as an altogether new company actually.
On your own.
We started from our drawing room practically.
सच्ची में मिस्टर अग्रवाल, सच्ची में?
Yeah, with 3 people team actually. And we were just planning how to go ahead. Can we live a good life where the working will be 4 hours, or we have to dedicate 20 hours and work? So that was a dilemma, and then I discovered suddenly that the team is not getting motivated actually. To motivate my team to work hard.
Really? This is unbelievable. आपके जो 3 team member was not motivated.
3 team members, and then the other people had to join in. Today we are 1,000 people actually in the company. So 1,000 people, to motivate the people to work and do everything, you have to set examples actually. Examples have to come out of your action actually. You cannot just speak and motivate people.
I love it. Examples out of action. पहले दफा मैंने ये सुना है. कैसे किया?
देखिए, मेहनत करनी पड़ी, फैमिली सपोर्टेड, my parents, my wife, my kids, because it was a compromise for everybody. When you have to work hard and establish all new actually. So the directions were very clear from my father that we have to work, we have to provide the farmer with the best product and the best solution. And then when we are making it, we have to ensure that the network also is very happy with us actually. So doing this double assurance was all the more difficult. And then we started by taking over certain brands actually. We realized that though we are new to the Insecticides India is a new company. Getting a lot of support.
One of the top companies already
Yes.
in India. इतने जल्दी से आपने ऊपर पहुंच गया.
उस टाइम पर there was a lot of support from industry.
Okay.
Lot of support from the network because they knew that we have worked for so many time. My father had already worked for 3 decades with the farmer, with the retail network, and I also when joined the industry, my first passion was marketing actually. Though I got a chance to work everything, setting up plants and doing a lot of activities actually. It was just a matter of chance that our units were situated in Delhi, and somehow then we have to move out of Delhi to other industrial areas, and I got that chance to establish the units, and it was a simple repeat of everything what I did in Insecticides India. But it was a very good opportunity actually to establish ourselves into the market. तो सबसे पहले हमने ब्रांड टेकओवर से शुरू किया. देयर वाज अ कंपनी कॉल्ड मोन्टारी इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड. हमने इनसे 21 ब्रांड्स खरीदे, इंक्लूडिंग द ट्रैक्टर ब्रांड. So that was something which happened for the first time in the country actually, a company buying the brands. So they were such good popular brands among the farmers.
Do you think that was the first milestone shift?
Yes, that was the first turning point for us actually, where we became popular in one go. Because of that success, the brands which were very popular of the past, they were again, they came to
another opportunity.
Yeah. So they came back to the farmer actually.
Sir, can we just take a little break?
Yeah, sure.
Folks, please don't go away as we are in conversations with Mr. Ragesh Agarwal, the man, the brain, the brilliance behind one of India's top agrochemical company. Back again in conversations with Mr. Ragesh Agarwal. हाँ जी, Mr. Agarwal आप बता रहे थे.
जी. So I was discussing about the
turning
brand.
point, yeah.
So these Montari brands, particularly Lethal, was very very popular. Then there was also an opportunity because MNCs were also shedding off their brands in the international market. So we got a chance to collaborate with one American company called MVEC.
Correct.
So this company bought a brand from BASF.
Okay.
So this brand was Thymet, which was very popular brand of India, and we brought this brand back to India actually by collaborating with this company. So that was again a very successful move for us, and this was a very strong brand, and today it is #1 brand in my segment.
Okay, I want to ask you, Mr. Agarwal, how did you build the pan-Indian relationship with farmers? आपने ये कैसे किया? Because पूरा India में it's the mood swings, it's the mindset, the myopic mindset of different farmers on different areas.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. It's a difficult task. It is the team which plays a very important role. I got the right people actually. I am lucky that way.
सब लोग यही बोल
And
रहे थे.
it is also the relationship which is very very important. It was a relationship of generations. My grandpa started agrochemical business actually, and I was the 3rd generation entrepreneur who traveled a lot in the field actually. So initially, those initial days when we didn't had air conditioned cars actually, and our season is this time, which is the hottest part of the year, where you had to sweat and
आप सच्ची में?
yeah, and you had to travel 400-500 kilometers in a day actually, meet distributors,
और आप
meet the
करते
people.
थे?
Yeah, I used to.
Like
I
a
like that.
politician of 3rd generation.
Maybe. I
Really,
don't know
yes,
that.
it
But
was.
yes, you have to go to farmer's place. चौपाल पर बैठना है. You have to gather farmer,
आपने
talk
किया?
with the farmer,
और आज
talk with the
देख रहे
retailer,
हम
distributor.
दिल्ली में।
हाँ, yes.
आप इतने urban लग रहे हो. सच्ची में किया ये सब?
बिल्कुल किया. That was the part of my initial journey. उसके बिना you cannot establish a connect. आज अगर किसान के पास आपको प्रोडक्ट पहुंचाना है तो किसान के पास पहुंचना है. फिर फार्मर मस्ट रियलाइज यस he is getting something under a tractor brand, he is getting something. My network must know, they must have the access on me. कि ठीक है, they can talk to the managing director of a company if the need be. So if I am available, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि I get disturbed too much. There is no disturbance, but people believe yes they have a connect and they can contact, which is very very important actually. So everything is built on relationship.
Very
people helped us in growing. These brands, they became the engines actually, and then again we got the opportunity in 2010 to buy out a brand called Monosil. This was also marketed by D Nosil when Dow was D Nosil, went to Nosil, and we purchased
So
this
I'm
brand.
understanding that you've actually been at the helm of all the acquisitions.
Yeah,
Which
the
have
first
helped you.
strategy
Yeah.
by our company has been the brand acquisition.
Brand acquisition.
And in
That's been
2012 again,
Yeah.
Ambec bought one brand from Syngenta. It was called Nuvan. We again got that.
That
brand.
is what.
So-
अच्छा हमारे साथ शेयर कर लीजिए R&D काफी इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके इंडस्ट्री में और आपने काफी एम्फेसिस प्ले किया.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है ग्रोथ करने के लिए. Sometimes I say the money you spend on the R&D, it is like a insurance cover for the money you are investing on the manufacturing. बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है
समझ
एक्चुअली. बिकॉज फर्स्ट हमने किया ब्रांड एक्विजिशन. बाय डूइंग द ब्रांड एक्विजिशन व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग, I was providing the farmer with his choicest brands.
Correct.
But somehow the new technology had also started entering into India.
So it's a
So
combination.
we had to bring the new technology on the table. When it was brought by the inventor, it was in the last phase of his patent. I mean to say, the similar technology could be developed in India domestically by reverse engineering, and that was something we started in 2005. We established our R&D center and started doing these reverse engineering technologies, registered these products and
Patented, yes.
So these were basically getting off patented, but new for India.
Correct.
Farmer was paying high price, but it was only the progressive farmer who was able to afford these products. A general farmer, a common farmer was going to market to buy a new generation product, was coming back with the older generation because he could not afford. So we manufactured these products in India, made them affordable.
Made in India brand.
Yes,
I've
and took it to the normal counters. So these products became the products of the masses, and this helped us in building the brands actually. So a company which was providing the farmer with his choicest brands started providing the new generation molecules at competitive prices. That became our second USP. So both these strategies, they became engines for us actually. And
It's quite extraordinary. Because आपके जो growth spurt है,
जी.
it has been phenomenal. It's all, you know, it's
देखिए, we were always very innovative. मैं जानता हूँ the
यही
industry
बात
has
है,
been growing at 10 to
innovation.
12%.
हाँ.
In this type of growth, when I have to grow at 30-35%,
Unbelievable.
then I need something new. मुझे अपना रास्ता बनाना है.
Agarwal, you rock.
I was
You
देखिए,
rock.
there was tremendous pressure all the time when I was starting from scratch. तो कंपनी को शुरू से एक नींव रखकर चालू करना था.
आपने किया मिस्टर
तो
अग्रवाल.
प्रेशर हैड टू कम एट दी राइट प्लेस. उसको सही जगह निकलना बहुत जरूरी था. कई बार मैं बोलता हूँ कि अगर आप रेस में हैं और रेस में दौड़ रहे हैं, गाड़ी चला रहे हैं और आपकी गाड़ी का ब्रेक हिल गया, ब्रेक फेल हो गया और मैं ब्रेक लगाने की कोशिश करूंगा तो कोई ना कोई टक्कर मार देगा. लेफ्ट राइट कहीं भी मुड़ूंगा टक्कर लग जाएगी. तो व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन आई हैव? ऑप्शन इज आई हैव टू ड्राइव फास्टर एंड मेक
You are Mr. Agarwal, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal. You are the big idea. Insecticides is the big idea, and you represent the new India. और एक छोटा सा ब्रेक और
Thank
लेने
you.
पड़ेगा. Folks, break time. Please don't go away. Back again in conversations with Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, who is the brains, the brilliance and the brawn behind one of India's top agrochemical companies. अच्छा, Mr. Agarwal, मेरे राय में patents जो है Insecticides India Limited में, it has been the bane behind the phenomenal growth spurt.
जी
ये सही बात है.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. बहुत
हाँ.
इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. बिकॉज व्हेन वी रियलाइज्ड कि आज लार्जेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स क्या हैं एग्रोकेमिकल इंडस्ट्री में, दे वर ऑल पेटेंटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड द ओनली वे आउट टू ब्रिंग दिस पेटेंटेड मॉलिक्यूल वाज टू अ जापानीज हैंड होल्डिंग. इनिशियली वी टारगेटेड Japanese are the real inventors actually. Like there are some companies in West, they have their presence already in India. So it is very difficult to develop a product with them because they would like to do it by themselves actually and price it in their own fashion.
Correct. American company हो तो आज.
जी, American and European
समझ गए,
companies.
हाँ.
So the opportunity which we saw was amongst the Japanese because Japanese had been inventing and selling to these MNCs in the past. But now they were keen to establish the product by themselves by partnering with the domestic companies. So they needed a company which had a reach. They needed a company who can take their product to the farmer, and that way we have established ourselves as the best partner for these companies actually. So we have got a reach today, we have got a strong presence, we have the farmers following, we have a good network of distributors and dealers across the country. So it was a win-win situation, a good opportunity when we collaborated with this company called Nissan. Nissan came us with one molecule and they shared two at one go actually. So we got Pulsar and Hakama from Nissan.
The key component has been the molecule.
Yeah, of course.
Correct,
because
correct,
I have to do something new. So something new means always keep on introducing the newer technologies.
Correct.
So that that can help the farmer. So we got these two products. It helped us a lot. And then we got one more opportunity. This opportunity was a very big and unique opportunity to invent in India. Because whatever we were doing in the past in the agrochemical sector, we were doing the reverse engineering. Reverse engineering means the molecule was already developed and we were copying that molecule. But nobody was focusing on invention of a new molecule in India because it is considered to be a very expensive affair.
तो आपने कैसे किया?
We collaborated with a Japanese company called Otsuka. Now it is called OAT Agrio Company. We set up a JV. We said that it is your baby, it is your expertise. We are going to help you in getting the right team, in selection of the molecule, selection of the ideas, and we will develop and improve those ideas.
Mr. Agarwal, ये जो इंडस्ट्री है, I mean, आपके साथ बातचीत करके it sounds very simple or maybe easier than said. For a new person getting into it, is it a tough industry to break into?
It's a very tough industry actually because it is backed by registrations and regulations. It's for every product you have to invest 2 to 5 years actually to bring that product to India before bringing a single product actually and invest millions of rupees. And if it is a new product, the investment on data generation itself can be 20 to 30 crores per product actually. So that way it is
high cost intensive.
Yeah, high cost intensive, restricted industry. And then while setting up the units, again you have to take so many permissions. For selling the product in different states, there are permissions required.
States का जो permission
So
लेने पड़ता है.
it's a Herculean task actually. It's not an easy industry.
अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज बताइए. Herculean task आपने बोला.
जी.
आप क्या एडवाइस दे सकता? हमारा यंग ऑडियंस है, बड़े एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं. I mean, आपने तो कर लिया. Herculean करके आपने कर लिया. गाड़ी चला के आप पहले आ गया. कैसे किया? तो क्या एडवाइस?
देखिए क्या होता है कि the advice for the youngsters who want to enter into sales and marketing in the company.
हाँ जी.
It's a lucrative business. Lucrative why? Because immediately when he joins an agrochemical company और थोड़ा सा मार्केट को समझ लेता है, if he तो he gets a motorcycle. So he has a charm that I'll be on a motorcycle. मेरे friends होंगे कि नहीं होंगे. And when he starts capturing the market, कुछ farmers को समझने लगता है, market को समझने लगता है और थोड़ी सी 3-4 साल में एक level achieve कर लेता है, he is on a 4-wheeler. So for a salesperson, it is very very interesting actually. Though the job you have to move around, you have to move in 100 or 150 or 200 kilometers. That is there for any salesman.
Yeah, for any salesman. I love the analogy आपने जो metaphor दिया. Very interesting.
So that becomes very interesting
ऐसे
for him.
हिसाब से सोचेगा तो फिर obviously there's a lot of potential.
Similarly, the boys who joins us in our laboratories and R&Ds, they also get a very good exposure and very good career. So there are career opportunities in both the areas of manufacturing and marketing actually. और of course finance या बाकी जगह भी join करते हैं तो there are good opportunities actually. And since the company has grown many folds in these years actually, so are the peoples actually.
So आप अपने टीम को you give a lot of credit.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
What would you say? I look at your energy, I look at your drive. आप 3 point हमें समझाइए थे. What would you say attributes to your success? The 3 key pointers.
देखिए सबसे बड़ा important point था yes passion.
Okay, हाँ.
Number 2, when I started from scratch, there was pressure, but I didn't break. I knew that I have to do and I have to do it. मतलब the first step was very important and every step is very important. मैं कभी डरता नहीं. I take it on myself कि जो भी करना है, yes it has to be done by the team, but I am standing behind the team to do it.
Wow.
So that is very important and that focus when you give to your team that you are free to do whatever you want to do and I am behind you to face the circumstances.
Yeah.
So that gives the team the full confidence actually.
They don't teach us in Harvard Business School. And तीसरा, unbelievable. This is hardcore Indian basic values. और तीसरा?
And definitely ईमानदारी और निष्ठा जो किसी भी बिजनेस के लिए चाहिए तो आपको अपने कंज्यूमर के लिए, अपने नेटवर्क के लिए, सबके लिए, अपने जो इन्वेस्टर्स हैं उसके लिए जो काम करना पड़ता है तो दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट प्रॉफिट इज ऑटोमेटिक. व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द बिजनेस, ग्रोइंग द बिजनेस तो प्रॉफिट तो आएगा. आई डोंट नीड टू वर्क फॉर प्रॉफिट. I just need to grow my company, and when the steps of company are growing, so everything is automatic.
मिस्टर राजेश अग्रवाल, ये जो ज्ञान आपने दिया है, दिस इज व्हाट इंडिया इज ऑल अबाउट, दिस इज द न्यू इंडिया, और ये जो है ना हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल में नहीं सिखाते हैं. थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू जी. वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.
Bye-bye.
So dream with a cause and dream with a purpose. But most importantly, don't be scared to dream big. Catch you next week.